गाइज आप देख सकते हैं कि अभी लास्ट चेक टुडे 16:48 पे यू कैन सी द अपडेट इज़ नाउ completed and my machine is up to date. This is the thing I just wanted to show you how we can just fix our Windows update by doing a sort of troubleshooting steps. So hello everyone. Today tutorial is about how you can just fix your Windows update issues on your system. Currently you can see my system is just having some issues with the Windows update. So I will try my best to fix it and let you know with the steps how you can fix your Windows issues as well. Let's start doing now. First we will go forward for the setting, that is the services. So just click in start menu, go to run and type services.msc. I typed the wrong command again. Now it's a correct. So spelling is that services. So after going to services.msc, just click anywhere and type w. Once you type w, so we will get the all w related settings. So we need to find out the Windows update. So we need to just scroll down until we get the Windows update. So here you can see this is the Windows update setting that we need to make it. Go to properties and just we need to choose automatic and need to stop it and start it again. Now I'm going to start it. Okay, so click to apply. Now it's on automatic and running state. So this is the first setting that we need to do. Second thing, we need to go to C drive. Let me go in first and click to Windows. Once you click to Windows, we need to find out the software distribution folder. So you can see here, after scrolling down you will get it. So there are sort of folders are available that store the all Windows updates and all new updates as well. So let's just control A and just to right click and cut, and I'm going to just store in different folder update. Okay, this is for the kind of a backup. So else you can also delete it, but I'm not going to delete, so that's why I'm just taking backup only. So once you just do it, come back. So we have two folders only, that is non related. So yes, we did the two things. First we restarted and come back to the running services with the services.msc command, and second thing, we just relocated the folders that is stored the all Windows update files. And second thing we will do is we will going to troubleshoot settings, and we will just go for additional troubleshooter setting. Okay, so once we come here, we will find out the Windows update option, resolve problems that prevent you from Windows update settings. Okay, so let's click and run the troubleshooter. It will just start finding out if you are having any problem in your Windows related concerns and all that. So it will try to find out and fix, and if it is not, then we will try more stuff to resolve our issues. Yeah, that's way we can fix our issues. That's it. So troubleshooting couldn't find any problem, so you can see we didn't get any problem. So let's close it, and now we need to search, click to search bar and type update. Okay, now I'm just trying to click update and let's see what happens. Most probably it should resolve. Let's see what happens. Make sure your internet should be running, uh, so it will best way to find out any issues if we are having. I'm just waiting for the response from the Microsoft if that connects and get it resolves. Let's see. If you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do subscribe and like the video. We are trying our best to provide you the best solutions, and it will also motivate me to provide you more and more troubleshooting related videos and all that. I'm just waiting. Let's see what happens. By the way, it takes time 2, 3 to 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. But yes, you can see all updates are getting downloading now. The status downloading, downloading, downloading. So if you are having any issues with the any update, it will it will fix after restart. Okay, so you can see the all updates are getting downloaded. So this is the way we can just fix our issues, and let's see what happens. Currently all are just getting downloading, downloading, downloading. So I will wait and I will show you. By the way, just let's click to download and install. Okay, so we are good to go. You can see it's downloading 17%, 8%, 8%, even it's a 14%. So it's getting update one by one, all operating system updates. So I'm just waiting, and it will take time around 30 minutes as well. So it will fix my all Windows update concerns without any problem. So you can see it is coming the restart now option, but don't do any restarts because it will hamper your updates until the all updates being downloaded and installed. So it will the status will change to restart, but currently it is pending to install. It means this couple of multiple of are still downloading. That's why once the downloading complete, it will start installing now, and then it will the status come with the restart. Then you can just click restart now, and your system will start running fine, and your updates will be also installed properly. I will show you after doing the all things. Thank you.